Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about coin switch application. It's a best application to invest our money. Coin switch application is to invest in currencies to trade. For example, bitcoins, ethereum, doji coins, and other popular cryptocurrencies. If you want to invest on money, invest on these currencies without putting in savings account. It's a very safe application, friends. I have invested in this application already, and again I am going to add money. For example, I am going to show you add money and invest very little amount, just for example. Okay, just once you open this create this coin switch application, you just log in by your pin. Okay, I'm going to enter my login pin number. Once you enter your pin number, it will take you to the home page. See, this is the home page, friends. Here are the top currencies. You will find here popular currencies. See, friends, here are the currencies in the watch list. Dogecoin, Lost, Metal, Ripple. For example, Bitcoin is also available here. To invest in these cryptocurrencies, for example, I am going to show you today. Just with 100 rupees, I will show you. To invest in these coins, minimum amount should be 100 rupees. Okay, click on the buy Bitcoin. Okay, before that we want to add amount to our account. Okay, click on the profile. Okay, sorry friends, not profile. Click on the portfolio here, second option. Once you click on the portfolio, click on this total INR balance. Total balance. Here enter the amount which you should want to invest. Okay, minimum amount we want to invest, because 100 rupees is minimum amount. For example, I am going to deposit. Click on the deposit. I am going to add the money. Okay, for example, I am going to buy just with 100 rupees. Click on the deposit, and I am going to transfer the 100 rupees amount from my bank account. Okay, it will ask to the UPI method. Click on that. Here I am going to enter my UPI ID. Okay, and click on pay. Once you enter your UPI number, click on the pay option. It will take you to the online payment. It will take to this page. Which UPI ID you have entered, you just click on select on that. For example, I have selected by phone pay. So that I am going to click on phone pay. Again you enter the UPI ID here. I am going to enter my UPI ID and click on pay now. Here down, pay now is there, no? You just click on that. Go to payment, click on that. You just click on the pay here. Click on the pay. It will take to the phone pay. Click on the pay here again. Okay, click on send. Enter the pin number. I'm going to enter the pin number, and that will be Once you enter the pin number, just click on the tick mark. Okay, my transaction has been done successfully in CoinSwitch application. You just click on the remain later, go back to the application, click back. Click on the portfolio. Here our total balance is 100 rupees. For example, I am going to show you. Okay, don't save your minimum. For example, minimum 100 rupees also don't save this amount in your savings account. Savings account always make you loss because of inflation. Day by day inflation is increasing, and if you save in savings account, that is indirectly it's a debt. It's not a profitable way to save our money. Okay, you just click download up, open this type of cryptocurrency accounts, and you just invest very little amount, which are most people, and it's very safe. It's I think it's Bitcoin and all most high volume currencies are not safe, but other currencies like Dogecoin, Metal, Ripple, these currencies are okay, believable, and you can invest this small amount also in this application. For example, today I am going to buy Bitcoin worth rupees 100 only, because it's last month. Oh my god, it's fallen very much, but I am going to trade in this one. I just buy for worth rupees 100 only, and I will hold very little time, like today I will see what at the evening, at the end of the day, what price it will be closed. Otherwise I will hold this for 1 week or 1 month. Then I will, whenever I want this and use to 100 rupees, you just directly withdraw from this app. There is no charges to deposit or withdrawal, to trade or nothing. Charges is there in this application, so it's very good application since I have used by 1 year. Okay, for example, I am going to enter 100. I'm going to enter the worth rupees. Okay, for 100 rupees I will get 0.00002.31% of this Bitcoin. Okay, click on the buy. Okay, my order has been executed. There is no loss, friends, because I have already used this application for many times. See, my Bitcoin 100 rupees worth Bitcoin has been placed order, and I will go back to the home page, and take a screenshot of current price. Okay, current price 34,11623 is there, no? Okay, after 1 week or 2 weeks later, it will be uh, very high, because Bitcoins, what the nature of Bitcoin is limited. Okay, Bitcoins are very limited coins. Other currencies are we can uh, we can print, and we can produce more. But Bitcoins is not like that. It's a cryptocurrency, and it's a limited one. Because of that, it's if it's risky also, I don't mind. I can hold my position until it will grow, because it's all high, whatever they told, like high entrepreneurs, high level entrepreneurs and successful entrepreneurs are buying bitcoins because the volume also high, the risk also high, but if we hold for long time it's very nice. That's it friends, today for just example purpose I am going to add just with 100 rupees, and I will show how to buy with 100 rupees also. You can't able to put in savings account. You just download this type of applications and create an account and put those amount, the whichever the amount you decide to you already exist in your savings account, don't put on that savings account, but because there is no returns in savings account, you just invest that amount in this type of cryptocurrencies. I think it's best. Thank you friends, and is there any doubts or any mistakes means you just click on the comments and I will try to answer those comments. Thank you friends, subscribe to my channel.